Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a heated exchange between a defendant and his lawyer. He accuses him of choosing sides, specifically his mom's. The twist? His mom is the alleged victim in this case, and she's the one who paid $30,000 for his defense. This ingrate claims the lawyer is protecting her over him, and the evidence he provided has been ignored. Will the judge step in and untangle this mess? Let's dive into this courtroom drama and find out.
Court does call the case, the cases of the people versus Anthony Haybecker.
Your Honor, good morning. I'm going to sit down here. Elias Muad appearing on behalf of Mr. Haybecker.
And Mr. Haybecker, can you state your name, please? Looks like he's trying to unmute.
Anthony Haybecker.
Okay, thank you. All right, what are we doing on this, Mr. Moore?
Yeah, I did file a motion to withdraw. I've gone as far as I can with this case. I've talked to Mr. Haybecker in the past regarding my thoughts. There's just been a breakdown. So I'm asking to withdraw. I don't think he has the funds because he's in a inpatient right now facility. I would just ask that if you can assign him to somebody and see what they can do.
Mr. Haybecker, do you have any objection to Mr. Mawad's withdrawal in this case?
What Mr. Muad is failing to mention is that the victim in this case, my mother, Renee DeRusso, is the person who gave him $30,000 to represent me in another case. He picked up this case simply to account for time so that it justifies taking up more than $30,000. So there's a huge conflict of interest in that he's protecting my mother rather than me. I've given him video that he can enter into the court. He refuses to do that.
Anthony, you're going to get in trouble.
Why is he interrupting me? I allowed him to speak. Why is he interrupting me?
Judge, if he says what he's going to say, he's going to get himself in trouble.
Mr. Haybecker, Mr. Haybecker, hold on.
Yes, sir.
I'm not here to necessarily get into the reasons. It's very clear to me that there's been a breakdown here, whatever those reasons may be. I'm just asking if you have any objection to counsel withdrawing.
Absolutely not. I wanted to fire him the day I met him a year ago.
Okay. All right. So I'll grant your motion, Mr. Ward, to withdraw.
Thank you, Judge.
And you are relieved of any further obligation in court. Please, if you put an order that effect.
I will do that.
Might be wise to do.
I will.
All right, Mr. Haybecker,
Yes,
are
sir.
you going to? How are you going to obtain representation, or do you need to?
I would need court-appointed counsel, sir.
All right, here's what we'll do. I'll grant that motion. So what I'm going to ask you to do, Mr. Haybecker, is I'm going to ask you to hang on the line, and we will get the name of an attorney that will be representing you momentarily, okay?
Yes, sir, and thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Wow, that was rough. Those accusations of favoritism and ignored evidence really stirred the pot. Do you think the defendant had a point, or did things go too far? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.